Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to unblock someone on Discord. To unblock someone on Discord, first of all, open up the Discord application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. Now from the home page, tap on the U button at the bottom right corner. Now click the gear icon at the top right from the U menu, and this will open up the settings option. From the settings menu, tap on content and social. Scroll down from the menu and then look for blocked accounts and tap on that. You will be able to see the list of users that you've blocked. Click the unblock button right next to the user's name and then you will be able to unblock them. They will now move back to your regular friend list if you were previously friends. Or you can also send them a friend request again. That's how you easily unblock someone on Discord. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.